Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna go to the dentist and get a little cleaning done. So I thought I would bring y'all along with me. So let's go. Let's get on the road. I got about 5 minutes to get there, but I only stay like 2 minutes from the dentist office. We'll show y'all like where, like exactly where, but I don't want people all up in my business. Like, don't do that. So let's get on the road. I need to push my seat up some more. My legs too short. Here we go. So yeah, I'm about to go to this dentist, get these good old teeth cleaned, and make sure y'all go to the dentist every 6 months. Get y'all mouth together, because some of y'all be having little yuck mouths. But yeah. Okay. But y'all, I stay like literally, ooh, can't see nothing. I stay like literally up the street from my dentist office. That's a good thing. I don't like going all everywhere. And then my primary care doctor is like 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away. And then my thyroid doctor is like 10 minutes away. So yeah, the only doctor's office that's really not far, but more than 10 to 15 minutes is my kid's doctor. But other than that, like I used to go to a thyroid doctor all the way in Concord. Nah, I used to always miss appointments and be late. I couldn't, like, y'all, aside from in Concord, one thing about me, when I started going to a doctor, I don't like to see the doctors, but I had to because it was just too much. But yeah, we here. We are here. Park up in here. Ooh. I told y'all I only stay about 2 minutes. Let me put on my mask. I have these masks for sale. If you want one, just visit my Instagram. And they are line masks. Yeah, they cute. Well, yeah, they cute. So if you want a mask, just hit me up. JLashaeCreation on Instagram. And you can get your mask made in any color you desire. So y'all, let me get in here. I want to see y'all when I get in here. Peace.
Don't use if you're allergic to Dupixent. Serious allergic reactions can occur, including anaphylaxis, which is severe. Tell your doctor about new or worsening eye problems, such as eye pain or vision changes, or
Done, I am done, y'all. Got a little calendar too, child. I didn't love me. You gotta make sure I keep up with my appointments. Nah, but I'm done. I gotta get back home because I'm cold. I'm sharing my tea. Tea. Y'all make sure y'all keep y'all appointment every 6 months. Keep them teeth in check because, baby, anybody got time for that? But yeah, it's cold outside. So I'm gonna put my mask right back on. That's a good thing about my mask too. They keep your face warm. So I'll put my little mask right back on. Drive to the house. Yeah, let's get up out of here. This, I hate waiting on these damn cars right here. I got to wait. I got to go right through this store. Take y'all on my record times with me. Go to the store, parking lot. Damn. And yeah, that's how we do that. That's how we do that. So yeah, I'm on the way to the house. My kids on break for school. I'm just in time a little bit. Fix them their lunch. They get back on class. So yeah, y'all, that was my little dentist office excursion today. That's what I do. That's what I did. I ain't coming back outside today. I'm not coming back outside. When it's cold, I stayed in the house. Turning back in my place of residence. I'm so glad I stay right up the street. I don't get no better than that. Get to check that mailbox. I don't feel like stopping and getting out. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Got to go in this house. Back to mommy. I'm glad that little thing out here. And go in the trash can. Hopefully I don't hit this trash can right here. No, I ain't gonna hit it. I know how to drive. I gotta back up and straighten up a little bit, but you know, these people got all this trash right here. They moving, so I got a whole bunch of trash behind me in my way. But it's Wednesday, and the garbage truck right there. So he about to get this shit up out of here. This boy keep parking his bike by this garage. No, we got to pull in. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, make sure you like and leave a comment. And I'll be back at y'all with another video. Peace.